Hey friend, it's Dom. I wanted to share a few exciting things that I think you may be interested in participating in, and they're all free. So listen in. There are actually three things. The first thing has to do with motivation and momentum. Now, I know it's the new year. A lot of us have set new intentions and goals. Maybe it's around your health, maybe they're financial, maybe they are around your business. Whatever they are, it doesn't really make a difference. But I know for myself, and we've all experienced creating intentions and creating goals, and we start off really strong, and usually within a week or two, or not usually not more than a month, if we're honest, we tend to fall off and we forget about them. We lose our motivation and we lose momentum. Tonight at 8:30 p.m. in the Energy Hub of the Academy in Energy and Wellness, we're going to be talking about this. It's a 60-minute community call. It's free to all members. It's $5 to become a member for the year. And we do these twice a month. So tonight we're going to be talking all about motivation and momentum. So we're inviting you to come and join us. If this would help you, we would love to have you join us there. The second thing, which is also free to all members, is the Let's Get Moving group. This is a group that I started in the middle of December to do a little bit more than we had been doing to increase our physical energy. And we are actually celebrating this week because we are officially halfway through and we still have another month to go. And then we'll decide what to do after that when we get to the end. But over the course of this next month, this is an opportunity for you to join in. It's not too late. We would love to have you join us to stay motivated, to get into momentum in a new health regimen that maybe you're trying to accomplish to increase your physical energy. Maybe you want to run more. Maybe you want to go walking. Maybe you're swimming. Maybe you're doing yoga. Whatever it is you're doing to increase your physical energy, to make that commitment to yourself and to do it over the course of the next month. My commitment is to run at least 3 days a week, and I signed up for a gym to do that because I hate running in the cold. So that was my commitment, and so far I'm holding strong. And I would love to have you come and join us in whatever it is that will get you to stretch yourself a little bit further to increase your physical energy. We've had a number of people in that group that are experiencing success, and they'll be sharing tonight actually on the Hub call a little bit about that. Then the last thing that's really exciting, Jay and I are most excited about, we are running a masterclass on this Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, titled Embracing Energy Wellness. In this masterclass, you're going to learn 5 powerful yet simple energy techniques that will help you tap into the divine energy body that is living within you so that you can easily fine-tune the physical world around you for more health, for more wealth, for more love, and for more inner peace and clarity. The first thing you're going to learn is to use energy to transform any aspect of your life. So you're going to learn the importance of living not just in the physical world, but also in the energetic spiritual realm, and how you can function in between them to transform any aspect of your life. Now, one thing I want to clarify, spiritual realm, it's an open community and we're all coming from different faiths and backgrounds. So whatever your belief system is, we're not here to violate that. Actually, we're here to enhance it. We're encouraging you to go deeper into that belief system that you have. So I want to kind of state that right up front. The second thing that you are going to learn in this masterclass is you're going to get guided through 5 powerful energy tools. You're going to learn 5 of the most effective energy healing techniques that will help you attract more abundance, more love, more good health, and more happiness into your life. And you can apply them into any aspect of your life and see instant results. So it's pretty amazing stuff. The third thing that you're going to learn is how to get answers from that inner guidance system or your intuition. It's really an incredibly simple thing to do. It's an exercise that we bring you through that will help you to get answers to really any question that you might have or any decision that you might need to make. It's so easy that even beginners can use this simple technique to feel a trusting and an affirmation on what is right and best for you. The fourth thing that you're going to learn is how to clear the number one energy block in just minutes. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but this simple energy technique is really an excellent way to experience the power of energy, maybe for the first time for you. And in that experience, it's going to clear that number one block, and you'll feel different right away. As a result, you're going to get fantastic clarity. The interesting thing is, once you clear that block, you open the door for synchronicities to begin happening. And very often they happen very quickly after the experience happens for people. And then the fifth thing, you're going to learn how to uncover your next best step for you in your life. So pick any aspect of your life that you feel that you're stuck in right now. Maybe it's in your business, maybe it's in your finances, maybe it's in love or your health or spirituality, maybe it's even parenting. Whatever it is, we're inviting you to come to the masterclass and just sit back and watch us uncover your next best step through a unique energy technique that we'll be teaching. And there's going to be so much more. It's going to be a live masterclass. It's about 90 minutes long on Thursday night at 8 p.m. Again, this masterclass is free to all members in the Academy of Energy and Wellness. Again, it's $5 to join for the year. You get to participate in all of the Energy Hub calls that are twice a month. You get to participate in the Let's Moving group if you would like to join that. And you get this masterclass as well, Embracing Energy Wellness. And you're going to learn these 5 powerful yet simple techniques that you're going to be able to put into use right away. You're going to come out with so much clarity after this masterclass. And then lastly, like I said, there's going to be so much more. No doubt there will be, but we have a special announcement that we're going to be sharing with everybody on the call on Thursday night at the end of the masterclass. And it might be something that you want to participate in as a member of the group. So we look forward to having you become a member and join us if you would like to become a member and participate in these things and the things that we're going to be having all year long. Just type in the comments, "I want in," and I will send you the link to join the Academy and participate in our community with everything that we have going on. So with that, I just want to say thank you for staying and listening, and we hope to see you inside of the community.